You're watching Republic TV. I'm Richa Sharma, and there is massive storm over Rahul Gandhi's meeting with family of an arrested PFI member. In fact, BJP has already slammed Rahul Gandhi and alleged that Congress always stands with anti-nationals. We now have a response coming in from MOS MEA. That is V. Muralidharan, who has also stated that he's not surprised by this kind of a step by Rahul Gandhi. Take a look.
We've been joined by Union Minister V. Muralidharan. Sir, Siddique Kappan, Rahul Gandhi met Siddique Kappan's family in Kalapetta today, and he is in fact standing in solidarity with the family. What do you have to say on that, sir?
See, the reported statement of Rahul Gandhi that he has given assurance to the family of the arrested PFI activist is highly objectionable. But I am not surprised that the comments has been made by Rahul Gandhi, because it was Congress who divided this country in 1947 on the basis of the demand raised by Muhammad Ali Jinnah's Muslim League. And Rahul Gandhi is following in the same footstep by aligning with the divisive forces like Popular Front of India, who are out to break the country into pieces. Yes. And further, it also shows that the Congress in Kerala, whose advice Rahul Gandhi might be following when he is in Kerala, they are completely in control of the Muslim League. So that's the whole crux and the seriousness of the matter.
So do you think this is Rahul Gandhi's attempt for appeasement politics yet again?
I don't understand that aligning with the terrorist forces and anti-national forces, I don't think that he'll be able to get the support of the minorities also. The right-thinking minorities will not support him in such stance.
So this is Rahul Gandhi standing with the PFI, because Siddique Kappan, after that revelation came out that he is a PFI activist, this is Congress standing with PFI.
Of course, yes. Because we have seen that Congress, the stand taken in Delhi and then now in Uttar Pradesh also. People who are trying to fish in troubled waters, people who are trying to create problems, people who are trying to create tension within the society, and forces who are out to create division and forces who are trying to create disruption, they are being supported by the Congress. It is highly objectionable. It is a shameful act by a party who claims to be the leaders of the independent struggle of India.
He, in fact, said that we will provide every assistance, that is, Congress will provide every assistance that the family will need. And the wife of Siddique Kappan came out and gave a statement that Rahul Gandhi has been standing with us. So this is a sort of strengthening that is taking place.
No, let them come out clearly what exactly is the assurance given, whether they are supporting the forces who are out to create problem, the forces who are for terrorist activities, or it is a humanitarian concern.